All right, continuing with counting 4 over the triplets. So I'll start by saying all your traditional triplet count, then I'll change it to 4s, and then start playing 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, down. Let's go to 100 next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 140. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Wrong way. 1, 2, a 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna go back down to. Let's go back to the 140 and add in some repeats. And when we get to the next one, I'll talk a bit more about like how I'm feeling or where I feel the strums happening in relation to the foot tapping. But here we go, 140 repetitions, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this one, again, counting 4, because every chord lasts 4 tripleted eighth notes. And here we see this as a tripleted half note. And here we see the polyrhythm for sure, the 3 to 4 ratio, telling the reader this is 3 notes evenly spaced across 4. So 3 across 4. And so when I'm tapping this, obviously right here, you got the tap and the strum happening at the same time. Next, you feel the foot tap and then the chord comes in right after that. So right after the second tap, that happens. And then you got your third tap. And then I'm thinking, right before number 4, right before the 4th tap, that chord is hit again. So this is in unison, tap and strum right away. This is strummed right after the foot tap, and this is strummed right before the last tap of the bar. So if you can think about it like that, it could help. So back down to 60 here. So if we do something like, tapping your foot, it'd be like boom, da, da, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, boom, da, 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 tap, tap, strum, tap, both, tap, strum, tap. Ugh, I screwed that up. That just made it more confusing. I'm trying to say both when on beat number 1, and then when I tap and when I strum. So it would be both. Tap, strum, tap, both. Tap, strum, both. Strum, tap, both. Tap, strum, tap, tap. This is the silliest thing I was told, or have heard, to help you lock into this polyrhythm, is pass the goddamn butter. So it is pass. Wait, this is the right one, isn't it? No. Sorry, I am incorrect. That was the 4 across 3, not 3 across 4. Nix that idea. Forget the butter. Forget the butter. That was with the 16th notes. Sorry. No butter. I don't have a funny phrase for this one. But yeah, so you same time, then tap, strum, tap, strum, tap. Let's try that. And another thing, you just like practice doing this. Like you practice a single chord or string rake or no guitar, but basically just stay with one bar until it starts to feel natural. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Both. Tap, strum, tap, strum, tap. 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 And if that just confused the hell out of you, if it's confusing to try and follow it that way, just pick whatever method I'm presenting that helps you with this. So I'm just going to be counting 4s again, and I think that might be the easiest way. But as you get going faster and faster, you won't be able to say the 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You'll really have to be able to feel like where the taps and the strums lock in. So just take your time with it. Take your time. Use Guitar Pro to help as much as you need to. 60 beats per minute. Number 2. 1, 2, 3 and a 4 and a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 100. A 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 180. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 160. I'm second guessing myself big time right now. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, let's go back to 140 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. very difficult. Very difficult. So if you don't get too fast, not a surprise, because it's very difficult. Alright, this one. 3 strings this time to help you think about strum wider. Get all those strings in for the palm mutes, not just the root note. Alright, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, And I want to point out for the previous one, I did root position or no inversion triad, first inversion, second inversion power chord. So I went in order there. No inversion, first inversion, second inversion. So obviously not the same chord, but I used the different stuff, the different triad stuff we've used so far. Alright, let's go to 120 now. No, not 120. For triplets, let's do 100 next. 1, 2, 1, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4, and a 1, 2, 3, 4. $140. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Whew, let's go to 120 for the repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Played the wrong chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, there we go. So yeah, any questions, let me know. And remember, just reference that last video to get the example you need, or if you need the example and how it's supposed to be laid out, just pause the video when it shows like that first thing laid out, so you can see how we want to do this triad arpeggio progression stuff. All right, any questions, let me know. I'll see you again next week.